Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel Fun Learning with Shomita. I hope all of you are safe in this pandemic situation, and I also hope that all of my videos are becoming helpful for you. My today's video is based on an important topic. You all know that water is the most important and the basic need of our life, and today I am going to show you 3 simple experiments for school students with water. So let's get started. Here is a glass and a paper, and I am filling water in the glass full of it. Now I am covering the glass with a piece of paper and I am little bit pressing it, and now I will try to move the glass upside down, and let's see what will happen. In this experiment, the water in the glass pushes the air out of the glass, so there is no air pressure inside the glass. Now slowly I am making it upside down, and you can see that water also not falling down and the paper piece also not falling down. Why? Because air particles can move freely, so the atmospheric pressure pushes on the glass from all directions, holding the paper in its place without water falling out of the glass. In my next experiment, on a plate I kept a burn candle, and I am putting water outside the candle on the plate, and slowly I am covering the burn candle with a glass. So see what is happening. Slowly the candle dimmed and then it is put off. Now you can see that slowly the water of the plate is coming inside the glass. Why it is happening? Because the burning candle consumed the oxygen inside the glass, so there is partially empty place, and to fill up this empty place the water is coming up inside the glass. In my next experiment, I have taken 2 glasses of normal tap water, and in one of it I am putting 2 teaspoons of normal table salt, and I am stirring well until the full of the salt, the total salt, is dissolved in the water. Now the right side glass is salt water here, and the left side glass is normal water here, and I have taken 2 lemons here, and I am putting one lemon in each glasses, and let's see what is happening. The lemon in the normal water sinks, whereas the lemon in the salt water floats. Why it is happening so? Because in case of normal water, the density of the lemon is more than the density of the normal water, so the lemon sinks. On the other hand, the density of the lemon is less than the density of the salt water, so the lemon floats. So I hope my today's video will become helpful for you. In my next video again I will bring this, like some amazing artwork ideas or science project ideas or science experiments ideas. Till now I am ending my today's video. Let's meet in my next video. Bye students and bye parents.